This is the question. I hearing my mind. Why? I always speak in English every time I take the video recording. To introduce, this is my answer. To introduce the our country, the good purposes, to understand from the far country, the word of the faith healer, the word of the talent, to introduce the our country is good, always good purposes. Because when the tourists, the people from the far country is did not knowing how to speak in Tagalog in Bicol, we adjust speak in English, and then slowly translating to the Tagalog in Bicol and adapting. The same the our studying. The same at the child teaching. That is a very simple answer. To introduce the our country. Because so many people as a faith healer, so many not studying in the school, but have a power to cure the sicknesses of the people. But the people cannot believe it because blaming. They say that the surrounding at the Iso Santo Espiritu, that's the reason the Iso Santo Espiritu is so very disappointed to the surrounding. Because all he do, all is good. But the surrounding of the place is not good. He reading the thinking of the people. You must knowing the power of the beings of the universe. You can read the good in the bad. You can create yourself as a good, as a bad. And you controlling yourself. No one can controlling yourself. In the future, the people now studying from the school clearly speak in English based on the original testament of language, not from the name. Because I know the same with me. He create the name. Original. His own creation. The same of the creation of his father and mother. I know everything. But I did not telling what is your name. I questioning, but after I questioning what is your name, I give it the word the question and the answer, because the question, it's only the connection of the stomach is the question. The answer is the thinking of the people inside and the head. And the answer, complete body in universe. That is the complete testament of life. Oh,